Good morning, welcome back to Making Adventure. Today we're going to do something a little bit different on the truck. This whole entire time we've been working on the house part of the truck, but we haven't really given a whole lot of attention to the truck part of the truck. And of course it's cold as all get up outside because this is Alaska in February. That is a lot of dust. Rusty dusty. Look how naked it is. So naked. Wow. Alright, so if it's not already clear, we're putting new chairs in the box truck. Let's get the rest of the inside cleaned up and take a gander at what's under that floor mat and see if we want to take it up today. Alright, so these screws here are way too rusty. I can't even see the Phillips head for it anymore. It's so rusty. So we're gonna have to drill all these out. We really just want to make it more comfortable in here because we want to, I think it was like an hour drive away to a lake. And by the time we got there, my feet were numb because the chair was so bad. We got some seats from a junkyard for a reasonable price, about $150 for both of them. And we're going to put those in today. We're going to try to put those in today. But for now, we're just going to take this liner thing off and see what's under there. And we're not going to reuse any of this, whatever this old nasty stuff is, because we're going to completely redo the floor. Grody. Ugh, smelly. Nice. There's some rust under here. I was hoping not to see any.
Not much.
I don't know, that looks pretty bad right there. You gonna put shag carpet in here? No. Alaskan winters come with built-in drink holders. It's this interesting ice plate. It's like soft. I don't know why I like this so much. I want to lick it, but I know I shouldn't. Alright, so we've cut out the start of what's a frame for our new chairs to bolt into, since they have a different bolting pattern than the other ones, the ones that we just took out. So yeah, the frame's almost done. It just needs a couple more pieces. We're getting really cold though, so we might call it a night here pretty soon, but we'll be right back. Alright, so we were 90% done with all of this cutting business when the blade on our bandsaw decided that it didn't want a blade anymore. And that was our last cut for how much metal we had, and now we have to go get more metal and figure out the blade situation there.